Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a song ringtone in your Android phone. So at first, open up your settings app. Now from here, scroll down a bit and then go to sound and vibration. After that, go to ringtone option. Now from here, you can change your ringtone and then choose SIM card. You can choose SIM 1 or 2. If I select SIM 1, then tap on this plus icon and that's it. From here you can set any song as a ringtone. If you want to set this song as a ringtone, just select it, then tap on done and it's done. And that way you can set any song as your ringtone. Now if you go to home screen, then open up your Samsung Music app and then find the music that you want to set as a ringtone. If you want to set this ringtone, just tap on three dots, then tap on set as. Then you have to choose phone ringtone and then select from the beginning. Then tap on done and it's done. And that is how you can make song ringtone in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.